Welcome, Bet with Size back at it again, and I'm just making a quick video on how to use orders on BullX, limit orders, which are a crucial part for trading if you're not staring at charts 24/7, and you shouldn't be. So, very simple. We're gonna use this coin, December, as an example. December starts in like 3 days, and just trying to front run December start, because people probably gonna notice in December, you get it. And we bought up a little of it here. Did a little flip and bought back lower, just playing around with small money. And let's say we're guessing it's gonna go to 500k start of December. We're gonna go to limit, sell, and let's say you wanna take only part of your position, 50%, just to take your initials. Then you can either steer it with this, or you can type in by hand 497,000. I like to set a little below the big numbers because everybody's gonna set like 500k for their orders. And boom, you click sell. And when the price is gonna reach that, then it's automatically gonna sell. But keep in mind, it's not guaranteed that it's gonna go through. So here you have settings for your trades. And if you're playing with a little bigger balance, then it's worth to have both priority and sell bribe. But keep in mind, like, this can eat quite a bit of your balance if you're trading a lot. So let's say if you want to be sure that your order is going to go through, I would set the slippage to 20% with these priority fees set to 0.01. And yeah, same thing works for buying. It's the same way. Let's say you want to catch it a bit lower than 200k. Put in 1 sol and slippage 15%. I'm gonna set these fees just to make sure. And now let's say this 150k zone, 60k lower than now. Click and the order is set. I think orders expire like every 3 days, so they're not forever, so keep that in mind. But for short-term things like catching a better entry or catching an exit right before an event, if you're front running, this is how you do it. Very simple. And join my free Telegram. I'm calling bangers in there. Follow my Twitter. And yeah, BullX access link in the bio and in the pinned comment. And also tell me what videos you want to see, because I'm going to be doing more meme coin content. So I'd love to know what you want to see, guys. Also on my Twitter, there's a thread on how I ran $200 to 10k. If you're wondering why you should listen to me. So you got that posted on Twitter, you can check it out. Bet with Size is out.